Hey guys, first of all, welcome and congratulations on taking the very first steps to achieving your financial freedom. Let me tell you this, I've been teaching classes all throughout LA. I've been doing Zoom classes online, and what you're doing right now is actually the hardest step, and that's literally getting started. So I want to congratulate you on doing that. Now, a little bit of background about myself. My name is Justin. I'm the CEO and founder of TradeTips. I actually created this business about 3 years ago to get more people involved in the opportunity that I'm doing. And the reason why is because I want to share this opportunity with everybody. And for me, it doesn't matter because with this opportunity, there's literally zero competition and zero saturation. And this opportunity literally lets me print money every single day from wherever I want. Like for instance, last year I was in Colombia and I was still taking advantage of the opportunity, even in a different country. That's how easy it is. You know, at the beginning, I used to think that I had to work for my money, so I'd work for hourly pay. I was a dishwasher, I was doing Uber. After I realized that I didn't need to do that, when this opportunity opened itself to me, now I realize that the old way of making money is fully gone. There's a new opportunity in town waiting for all of us to take advantage of. So a couple of facts about this opportunity. Right now is the best time to get in on this. And the reason why is because you hear on the news, we're in a recession, we're in a bear market, the economy is falling apart. And surprisingly, right now is actually the best time to get in on this opportunity. Now I'll tell you what it's not. It's not doing Amazon. You're not gonna be selling anything. You're not gonna be doing door-to-door. You're not gonna be creating a social media marketing agency. With this opportunity, you're literally making money from your phone in the comfort of your own home without talking to a single person. Now I'll tell you this, all your favorite celebrities and movie stars are also doing this exact same opportunity. This is how the rich get richer. LeBron James, Leonardo DiCaprio, they're not making money from doing movies or basketball. They're making money through this exact opportunity I'm telling you about right now. Now let's talk about two different things. How much time do you need to invest and how much capital you have to invest? For time, I recommend to all my students to only start with 1 hour a day. And then as you make more money, as you get comfortable with this opportunity, then you could invest more time and energy. Even with capital, I recommend to all my students to only start with about $1,000. That's it. With the $1,000, you could grow that to as much as you want. You could invest more if you want to. But again, with this opportunity, you could start with as little as 1 hour to $1,000 and put in as much as you want, as much time as you want. You'll get back how much you put in, as with any other opportunity. But again, this opportunity has no competition. That's literally why I'm even taking the time out of my day to make this video to share with you this opportunity, because again, no competition. If you make money, it doesn't hurt me on making money, right? That's why this opportunity is the best thing that I want to share with you guys right now. So what this opportunity is, it's trading in the stock market using stocks and options. Now, if you don't know what options is, it's pretty much a leveraged form of trading where instead of making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%, that same time frame, you could be making 50, 60, 70, 80%, just like you see here. Now, a little bit about my personal stock journey is I started investing in the stock market about 10 years ago when I was working those hourly jobs, right? Every paycheck, I would just put in a couple of dollars here and there in the stock market because I thought, hey, it'll just go up and I'll just make money for free. What I learned a year later was when I actually looked at my portfolio, I lost money that first year, right? And that was because I literally had no idea what I was doing. I was just throwing money at whatever people told me to do with no education, with no actual mentorship, and I was completely lost. Now, again, why would you want to invest in the stock market right now? Right? You're probably thinking in the news, there's a recession happening. The economy is in total shambles. The stock market is keep on going down. We're in a bear market. Everybody's scared. No one is buying. But let me tell you the secret. Warren Buffett, the best investor of all time, said this. The best time to buy is when everybody is selling. And right now, everybody's selling. That's why I'm telling you right now, this is the best time to get in on this opportunity. Now, the best part is you could take advantage of this opportunity, invest in the stock market, literally through your phone, right? I recommend using an app called Robinhood. It's very simple, very easy to use. Again, there's a ton of different apps you can use as well. You can use Robinhood, Webull, Tastyworks, TD Ameritrade. Technology has now made it easier than ever for you to start investing in your stock market. Literally takes you 5 minutes to set up and sell and buy. Unlike the old days, like on Wolf of Wall Street, where you had to call a broker and you had to trust the broker and making sure he'll give you the best price. Right now, technology has made it so easy. You are your own broker and you can buy your first stock in literally under a minute. All right, enough about me telling you. Let me show you exactly step by step how to get started. Let me hop on my laptop. I want you to follow along with me in creating your very first Robinhood account and buying your very first stock. Let's go.
All right, guys, I'm going to show you two things like I promised you. I'm going to show you one, how to buy your first stock, two, and how to make your first options trade. Now, you're probably wondering what the difference between the two is, and it's very simple. So let's look on the screen right now. You see right here, Coca-Cola right now is $61.84. Obviously, I could just buy one share, and today it's up 1%. So if I bought it this morning, I would be up 1% in total. But take a look a little bit below. You see right here where it says KO $63 call and a bunch of dates and this number. Take a look at my total return. You see it says 10% just today. For a stock to go up only 1%, I'm actually making 10% return for every 1% this stock goes up. And that's what we call an options trade. And I'm going to show you how to set that all up right now. So first thing is first, why should you even invest in the stock market? Look, the wealthiest people in America own the majority of the stock, and they don't want you to invest in the stock market. Why? Because they know that it's the best way to build long-term wealth. So now that you know why you should be getting to the stock market, let's set it all up. So the first thing I want you to do is download an app called Robinhood. This is by far the easiest app to use, and it's very beginner friendly. Now, once you download the app, just put on your information and set everything up, we're going to go to our settings. We're going to go to our investing tab right here, and we're going to make sure that we have options trading turned on. You can see here I have it already enabled, level 2, and it's all set up. That's how easy it is. It's literally a couple button presses to get it all set up. Now let's go back to our stock page. Now, like I said, one, you can buy a stock by itself. So I could buy a share of Coca-Cola and it'll cost me $61.87, or I could buy a dollar amount. Let's say I only want to buy $20 worth of Coca-Cola. Well, for $20, I get a 32.32 of a single share of Coca-Cola. So you could buy either in shares or dollars. Now let's do an options trade, because I'm sure that's what you guys are interested in, right? Getting those bigger returns. So right here, I'm gonna click where it says trade KO options. Bam, trade KO options. And let's say that I want to buy an options trade. It's very, very simple. Just click here. Let's say I want to buy this options contract. Buy one. Put in all my numbers, right? One contract, the price of 0.39, which is what it cost me, and the max cost of this option trade is only going to be $39. Now, there's a lot more intricacies into options trading, which I will go over in my training series, but this is essentially how you buy your very first stock and your very first options trade. Now, if you have any questions, don't forget to let me know, and I'll see you soon.
All right, so you guys created your very first Robinhood account. At this point in the video, you could turn it off and go off into your stock market journey and start buying your very first stock. Now, the question there is, what stock should you buy? So what I did was I asked my best friend at the time what stocks I should buy. So we just made a random assortment of random stocks, because we thought naively that all stocks will go up and we'll just make money anyways, right? Because that's what everybody says. Unfortunately, that very first year, I ended up losing about $20,000 in the stock market because I had no idea what I was doing. What I realized was I had to listen to the people that are doing it full time, that are putting millions of dollars in the stock market because they have the most to lose. So therefore, they're gonna be the best they could be. So with that, I took lessons and mentorships and classes from hedge fund managers, investment bankers, analysts, so that I could learn the lessons of how do I make money in this stock market. After taking all those lessons, I started applying it to my own personal trading journey. And that's when it became very, very profitable. And now it's my full-time job. Now, I want to do the exact same thing for you, right? I don't want you to go through all the hassle. I want to give you the same treatment that I give my friends and family, where they call me up and they ask me what I should buy and what I should sell. I'm going to do the exact same thing for you. That's why I created TradeTips. In my community, I'm literally going to tell you verbatim what I am buying and what I am selling. So all you need to do is just copy and paste my exact trades. That way we all profit together. Like I said in the beginning, there's zero competition in the stock market. So now you're probably wondering like what I'm going to charge you, what I'm trying to sell you. And the answer is I'm not going to sell you anything because this is all completely free. Right now, we're doing a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge where I'm going to turn $1,000 into $10,000 and document every single step I do in that process. And you could follow along with me. That way we could all make $1,000 to $10,000 together. Like I said, it's completely free. And the reason I'm doing this is because, one more time, we're not competing with each other, right? We're all making money together. And I want to invite you into my community so that we can all grow as traders together. Because the best way to make money in the stock market is by working together and not doing it solo. And again, if you're skeptical about joining a completely free challenge, check out the results from my students that have copied and pasted my previous signals and look how much money they're making every single day. Again, copy and paste.
Hello everybody. This is just a little testimonial and a review on TradeTips. I've had TradeTips now for a little over a month, I would say, and they have helped me extremely. And obviously I'm getting paid $15, which ain't nothing. I'm just doing it to help TradeTips out because they have helped me extremely, like I said, and I'm just trying to help them out. $15 is $15, you know, but at the end of the day, it's helped me make literally thousands of dollars within little over a month, I would say. So I highly recommend TradeTips. If you guys are out there trying to find some help with the stock game, I'm new to the stock game. I've only been in the stock game for about 4 months now. I've learned a lot, and TradeTips is actually helping me learn a lot more things when it comes to calls. So this is my testimonial and just a quick little review, I guess you can say, but I would highly recommend TradeTips.
Hi, my name is April and this is my review for TradeTips. When I first started, I was a complete beginner, but thanks for TradeTips, I am now able to constantly trade stocks for fillability. Thanks, TradeTips.
Hello, everybody. I just want to, let you know that I'm doing very well with Trading Tips. Ever since I, became a member and had this service, I have increased my profits, and what I recommend it to everybody. So please join. It is an awesome service.
Hey guys, so my name is Jessica and this is my review for TradeTips. So before using TradeTips, I was a complete beginner, but now thanks to TradeTips text messages, I'm able to trade some stock and make some money. Thanks, TradeTips.
So right now is the opportunity to change your life. But again, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a casino. This is going to take a little bit of dedication and some education for you guys to make money in the stock market. But that's why we're here. The best part is we're going to be with you every single step of the way. Any questions you have, we're going to be there to help you out and make sure that we're all profiting together. Again, zero competition. I just want you guys to be successful and take advantage of the opportunity that no one else has done before. Again, thank you for your time. Thanks for tuning in. I hope I see you in my community, and let's start that challenge together. I'll see you soon.